So the theme for this meditation is going to be like a healing spa for our energy bodies. So if you can imagine yourself just breathing right now, building up this energy body, I invite you to close your eyes at this point. Keep breathing in this space that we are creating together. And as we are breathing together, we'll inhale deeply and exhale together. And inhale again. And exhale. Exhale all of it. Really setting your intention for this meditation to be in the here and the now, to be away from the clutter of the day. Just breathe again. Let's inhale together. And exhale. Now, as we envision ourselves breathing this energy body, we become lighter, we become less dense, we become a brighter energy form that is our true energy, our true form. And as we visualize this space, you notice in front of you, it's shaped almost like a portal, and it is opening a round oval shape, almost like a mirage, and it is opening. It's very curious looking. You're interested. So you move closer to this Stargate portal opening. You can see through this portal at this moment, and it is a beautiful space on the other side. What is this other side, you are wondering? Well, it is your higher self calling you to step in to the higher dimensions. You step through this portal, and instantaneously, you are astounded by the surroundings of the environment you are in. The connectedness of all the living life in this planet, this area, this solar system, galaxy, whatever it may be. You feel the intelligence that is alive. You begin to walk into this new dimension, but it is not new. It is just unfamiliar, for this is home. This feels familiar. You notice in front of you a giant pool, crystal clear water. How inviting it is. The crystal diamond water. You walk towards this water. How healing and cleansing it is speaking to you. You notice that it is speaking to you. The intelligence of the water is calling for you to dip your toes in and feel the cleansing power of this crystalline water. You are amazed at the intelligence this water has to connect with you telepathically. Without even speaking, you and this water are one. You step into this water as it invited you. You accepted the invitation and are now wading into this warm, perfectly temperature water. This crystalline water is so healing to our chakras, to our DNA, to our energetic systems that we are connected to. You begin to float on your back and just feel the water flowing through. Oh, to be a kid again, to swim around, to feel bliss, to feel joy with nothing to do, for there is nothing to do at this moment. There are no attachments, just being and enjoying. How amazing this water feels. It is so crystalline, you can see all the way to the bottom. And when you look down to the bottom, you are seeing the most colorful fish and sea creatures you have ever seen. They too are communicating with you. Welcome. Hello. I love you. You feel so connected with this life, with this home. You begin to want to explore the area a little more, for the connection feels so alive and comforting. You come up from the water and dry off in the warm grass that is beneath your feet. This grass also is intelligent. As you are walking along the warm grass, you can feel it calling. It is calling for you to just lay down, to relax, to enjoy the sensations that this warm grass, this activating electromagnetic force that is coming up through this sphere. You lay down in this grass as it is inviting you. And as soon as you lay down, all the hairs on your body, your arms, your legs, stand up on end and connect with this grass. This connection of your hair and the grass is one. You are picking up all the information coming in from all the life that is around. You can hear the thoughts, the chatter of all the life, the love, the abundance, how welcoming and loving it is in this space, how healing it is for the DNA to just be, to just surrender and enjoy the blissful life that it is. You take some time in this grass to just be and notice any thoughts that enter, any symbolisms or forms that come into your mind, for they are activating the DNA. Packets of information full, waiting to be activated, triggered with this information as soon as it enters the subconscious. You already have all the answers. You are this intelligence. You feel the oneness and the connection, the unity, the unconditional love that you are. You take time in this space to remember all the feelings it is to be of this positive life force, this observer with non-judgment to just be. The compassion that is overflowing, it almost makes you emotional. You are overwhelmed with love, the connection. You will stand up now from this beautiful grass and thank it for its connection, for its telepathic connection to be one, to remember the unity. You walk around some more in this beautiful space and notice the nature, the flowers, the butterflies, all in connection. What are they saying to you? What messages have they for you? You listen, you feel connected. You feel at home and peace throughout your body. The feeling of peace. This is a feeling you can hold on to whenever you are feeling anxious or any negative feelings or emotions that arise. Remember this space of peace where the heart is slow and the mind is calm and the memories may be activated and triggered. For this space is home. What this beautiful space is connection, and it is yours to be whenever you seek the opportunity. You are so thankful to connect with Mother Gaia, with Source, with energy, with intelligence, with oneness, for all these incarnations that you interacted with are all you. In another incarnation, you are the grass, you are the water, you are the butterflies and the fish. These lives have been mastered. You already know this. It is in your DNA. And when you go inside, find peace, and ask for answers, it may be shown in form of images, colors, sounds, symbols. Be aware of what is coming into your space, for you are upgrading. You are activating, and your higher self knows exactly where you are heading, and it is right in this beautiful space. That is yours. That is you. That is paradise. It is everything you ever imagined, and it can be manifested now. Remember, remember, remember. Now as you realize this space can be yours at any time, you figure it would be good to go back to your physical body to share the messages that have come through. It may take time for the messages to come through, but they will be triggered and you will know what to say. You will know how to act in those scenarios. For you are already blueprinted and programmed with this intelligence. You are Source. We are creators. We are one. Now as we exit from this beautiful space into our physical body, into this beautiful earth, we see the portal, the opening, and we step through the portal back into our home in this our incarnation here on Mother Gaia, for we are upgraded. It is our mission now to take this information, ground it, come from the heart, and the rest will flow. When you are at peace, it will flow. Thank you for spending this space and time and connecting. I love you. Thank you. Namaste. Thank you guys. I love you all. We'll have another meditation here shortly. I'll keep you updated with that. I hope you keep this energy with you through the day. And again, I love you and thank you for connecting. Goodbye, everyone.